Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question is from the topic of integration, and in this question we have been told find the integral of cos root x dx. And with this we have been given four options. We need to find which of them is the correct one. So first of all, let's understand how to solve this question. So if I try to solve this, first of all, I will try to rewrite this root x as some other variable. So I'll substitute root x here. Let's say I put root x as some other variable t. If I put that, if I take the derivative of this, becomes 1 upon 2 root x dx equals dt. Now entire equation we are changing in terms of t. So let's also change dx in terms of t. So dx will become 2 root x and dt. And instead of root x, we have already written it as t. So it becomes 2t dt. So dx is 2t dt. Now if I try to reframe my question of integration, it becomes integral of cos t, and dx I will write it as 2t dt. So now my integral becomes 2 integral of t cos t dt. Now when it is t into cos t, basically it is nothing but product of two functions, right? And when I have two functions, I can use that idea which we have already understood, that product of two functions u and v can be written as u integral v dv minus integral of du, that is derivative of u into integral v dv with respect to d. Now if I have here this entire thing, I can keep u and v according to the order criteria, which is LIATE, where L is your logarithmic functions, I is your inverse trigonometric functions, A is your algebraic functions, like in this case it is T, T is your trigonometric functions. In this case, I think it is cos t, right? So that's also a trigonometric function. And then E is your exponential functions. So you go from left to right, and whichever comes first, you put that as U, and the next which comes is V here. So if I see, I had integral of t cos t dt two times. So I can write here, there are two product of functions t and cos t, where t is your algebraic, cos t is your trigonometric, and we know from the order a comes first. So I'll put a as u and t as v. So here trigonometric function is your v and algebraic function is u. So now if I write this entire integral I, we know I is 2 integral t cos t dt. Now we are putting this as u and this as v. So becomes 2 t into integral cos t dt minus big integral derivative of t with respect to t and integral of cos t dt the whole with dt. So that is there, and plus c. So 2, this becomes t integral of cos t is sin t. So sin t minus integral of t, derivative of t is nothing but 1, and integral of cos t is again sin t dt plus c. So if I do that integral, you get as t sin t minus integral of 1 into sin t is nothing but integral of sin t, and integral of sin t we already know it is minus cos t plus c. So you get here your answer becomes 2 integral not integral, now it is t sin t and plus you have cos t plus c. But our answers or the options which are present are in our natural form, that is in terms of x. So I'll again resubstitute t as root x. So everywhere where I have t, I'll just resubstitute as root x. So I get the answer becomes root x sine root x plus cos root x plus c. So this is the answer for the question which is asked to us. So our question that was asked was integral of cos root x dx, and we get that as 2 times root of x sine root x plus cos root x plus c. So, and if you see the option that matches here in the question is D. So A is the correct answer for the question which is given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this types of question where you have product of two functions involved that was given by integral u into v dv, and you select u and v according to this order LIATE, that is light. I'll meet you again tomorrow with the next question. Till then, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, share these videos with your friends so that they are involved in the preparation of JEE. Thank you.